Hi there, your STEM librarian, Marissa here. I wanted to show you how to use the Mendeley Web Importer to save citations when you're searching in Web of Science. So I'm looking at my reference here. I'm interested in saving it into my Mendeley Web reference. I have already downloaded the web extension plugin for Chrome. As a reminder, when you're in your Mendeley and you click under your name, if you click download Mendeley, it will give you the options for downloading depending on your needs. So I'm here in Web of Science. I'm interested in importing into Mendeley. I'm going to click on this, and if there is a PDF available, it will show you. Now I've already saved it in there, which is why it's showing as saved. I can double check that by clicking my web library, and then sure enough, here is the reference right here. As a reminder, when you're in Web of Science, it's likely that the reference is correct, but if you want to change, add, in any way edit any of the bibliographic information, you can do that here, including adding tags as you like. And then as a reminder of what I showed in class, if you prefer to type notes as you read, you can also type notes in here, and you'll notice it saves after just a moment. So that is how you save into your Mendeley library using the Web Importer extension showing you in Chrome, but as a reminder, you can use it in other web browsers. Thanks so much for watching.